Been sitting for about 6.5 months now.
I'd say close to 7 months. It's been sitting all winter.
Okay, so I had
Battery.
a dead battery.
Yeah, battery was
I
dead.
have that charged up now. Hopefully it's still good.
You got a helmet, you're gonna blow out smoke with it too?
We're gonna try to crank her over, see what happens.
Put the jumpers on it.
Should I turn it on?
All right, we're gonna jump it. Let's try this again. Battery's charging.
And, see if that works. Otherwise, I'll do the 200 amp.
Get a whole lot of cranking. There, we got power now. Is the choke on?
Yeah, I'm gonna push it in a little bit.
The cranky cold start. Put it to the floor. You think you flooded it?
No.
Okay, guys, we have driver 2 here now. We're gonna try to start it. Driver 1 failed.
I got it all primed up now.
Driver 2.
All primed up.
Jules did hold it to the floor.
Okay, now you can smell gas.
There we go. Runs good. Idle smooth. Hot, move the block. '69 Jeep. Sure is a cool Jeep. Okay, go forward. Reminds me of the Doom Buggy to top. There we go. Almost dropped my phone. What? Just wait. Peace out.